I live with my roommate and his curious cat, Pickles. One weekend, I left a special brownie on the coffee table while gaming with friends. Pickles sniffed it out and devoured half of it. I panicked and rushed her to the emergency vet. The vet said she'd be okay, just really stoned. They kept her overnight and she came home. The next day, walking sideways and meowing like she was delivering monologues. My roommate was relieved she was okay, but also pissed. I paid the $400 vet bill and now store snacks on the top shelf. Pickles now stares at me like she knows something I don't. I learned a valuable lesson to keep my snacks out of reach.